Sales and Marketing Director of High Touch Garage Doors. Behind us are many years of experience in the garage door and gate industry. Since founded, High Touch has been a family-oriented company, and as such, we treat our employees as well as our customers like family. As a show of our dedication to quality customer service, we're members of the Better Business Bureau and meet their customer-first standards. We're committed to dealing fairly and honestly with our customers. We offer a variety of services, such as complimentary consultations, fast and professional repair service, and installation of new openers and garage doors. All of these performed by our highly trained employees. We repair all types of doors, residential and commercial, sectional and tilt-up. We repair and replace tracks, springs, pulleys, cables, brackets, and all sorts of hardware. In addition, we carry a wide selection of products from the leading manufacturers in the country, such as Amar, Wayne Delton, Clopay, Overhead Doors, Martin Doors, and more. We carry wood, steel, vinyl, Go Green doors, and they all have the option of custom design to meet your style. You can contact us by phone or by logging onto our website, which is www.ht-garagedoors.com. We look forward to hearing from you.